Hey there, this is Jojo from Seventh Plane Healings and astrojo.com with your Astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And today we're celebrating Venus's grand entrance into Leo, which is happening on the 26th of August at 2:36 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And as Venus lights up the realm of confidence, self-expression, she also forms a semi-square to the Sun. The Sun is also the ruling planet of Leo. Sextiles to the Moon and Uranus and opposite Pluto to shape a powerful kite pattern, and radiates in a supportive trine to Saturn and Neptune conjunction of rooted dreams. So stick around as we unpack these dynamic alignments, followed by a special planetary tuning fork session, which is designed to attune your heart to Leo's radiant love and transformative relationship energies. First, let's have a look at some of the aspects in a bit more detail. And we have Venus semi-sextile to the Sun, which is also the ruling planet of Leo, which is where Venus is entering. So a subtle shift that warms your sense of self-worth and ignites playful creativity. Venus is also in a sextile with the Moon. So emotional harmony flows. It's inviting you to nurture your feelings with genuine affection. And then we also have Venus in a sextile with Uranus. So it sparks of fresh insights in relationships, encouraging bold authenticity and joyful surprises. And we also have an opposition to Pluto. This is the tail of the kite pattern. So this is intense magnetism surfaces. Release power struggles to reclaim your true heart. And with the kite pattern, we have the Moon and Uranus as the steering arms. And we got the emotions and innovation, and it's guided by Venus's trajectory towards soulful integration. And Venus is in trine to Saturn and Neptune, giving disciplined compassion meets visionary devotion, weaving practical love into inspired dreams. So let's align with these frequencies. If you want to join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and body to attune to these cosmic vibrations. And if you just take in a deep breath and release. Take in another deep breath. And bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And our affirmation is: I shine with courageous love, releasing old patterns to welcome transformative joy. I shine with courageous love, releasing old patterns to welcome transformative joy. Just take a moment to integrate these planetary energies. I'm feeling heart expand with daring compassion and creative freedom. And if you would like your own personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment, which is tailored to your natal chart, or your current transits, or someone else's as a gift perhaps, so check out the links in the description or visit astrojo.com to begin your journey into cosmic resonance and inner harmony. And if you would like to explore my frequency imprinted energy pendants, check out seventhplanehealings.com and discover how vibrational frequencies can support your energy field. These are imprinted with specific rough frequencies and other frequencies for spiritual protection, alignment, meridians, chakras, etc. But you can have them imprinted with whatever you choose to have. And thank you again for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Sign up for my newsletters. I have two, astrojo.com and seventhplanehealings.com. If you haven't already, they both have a different slant. Astrojo.com is much more on the astrological tuning and astrology relation things relating. And also Seventh Plane Healings is much more towards healing and using intervals and sound healing and rife frequencies and other modalities, if you'd like to check that out. And thanks for joining me. So let's tune into the universe together.